Cut the ropes. Pull the outside box up. Remove the inner bag. Lift GEME up and remove the base. Keep a distance of more than 10 cm from the wall behind GEME. Check what is inside. The manual book. GEME team appreciates your support and looks forward to your sharing. You can always refer official website for help by scanning the QR code. The GEME Lucky Doll. Hi guys, nice to meet you. The GEME Cupboard. It's these little gluttons from the soil that quickly turn your trash into organic compost. The shovel and the scraper. You can use them to clean up byproducts and interior walls.